In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your bookmarks in Chrome with your Google account. This process is simple and can be completed in just a few minutes, ensuring that all your bookmarks are accessible on any device where you're signed in with your Google account. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. Once it's running, look to the top right corner of the window. Here, you'll see your profile icon, a small circle with your picture or initials. Click on it. In the drop-down menu, look for Turn on Sync and click it. This enables Chrome to start syncing your data. If you don't see this option right away, don't worry. You can also click the three vertical dots in the top right corner, select Settings, and look for Turn on Sync there. Once you're in the sync settings, click on Sync and Google Services, then select Manage what you sync. You'll have two choices: Sync Everything. This syncs all your Chrome data, including bookmarks, history, passwords, and more across all devices. Customize Sync. This lets you select only the data you want to sync. For example, if you only want to sync bookmarks, choose Customize Sync and then select Bookmarks. After selecting your preferred option, you're all set. Your bookmarks will automatically sync whenever you use Chrome while logged into your Google account, giving you a seamless browsing experience across all your devices. And that's it. A quick and easy way to sync your bookmarks with your Google account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.